All right, once you're under the hood, there's a hose clamp on the throttle body for the intake tube. Go ahead and loosen that one. And then off of the air box, there's another hose clamp. Go ahead and loosen that one. All right, now disconnect the PCV tube from the side of the intake to twist it out of the way, and then you'll rock it to break the seal at the throttle body. And then on the back, there are two rubber isolators or holders to hold that down. Now we're going to remove the engine cover. Go to remove the oil cap. Then there's a holder here, here, and here. So just kind of wiggle it, pop it up. It's like that, and then slide it over and take it off like that. Now you can see each coil, cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector. Just push up and pull the connector off. Then you can just tuck them back out of the way. Then if the white piece comes up like that, you can just push it back down. And then you have 10mm bolts holding the coils on. And now we'll take each one out and then just set it up on the wiper cowl or somewhere out of the way. All right, now once the coils are off, we'll take the spark plugs out. It is the 5/8, the normal spark plug socket. We're gonna break them all free. And we'll grab the electric ratchet. Then you can just use a magnet, grab the end, and pull the plugs out. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna take the new spark plugs, and I went in and grabbed a magnetic spark plug socket. We're going to set them in and get them started by hand. Never start spark plugs with the power tool. And I did check the gap. Gap is 35 thousandths. And just run them in until you bottom them out. Now reinstall the engine cover, slide it underneath the PCV tube, and push it down. You'll hear it click onto all three of the retainers. Put your oil cap back on, and then grab the intake tube. It's easier if you start with this hose over here, and then line it up on the throttle body, push it down on, and then push it back on the rear retainers. Plug that on. Plug that in, on, whatever. And then tighten up your hose clamps. Just like that.